Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thanks very much for watching that earwax removal video today. Just my voice on the screen today, guys. I've had an absolutely manic day in clinic and I haven't really grabbed much time to voice this over, so I'm just going to do this very, very quickly for you guys. But you can see here we've got this really thick plug of wax in here. It's super sticky, almost like a toffee consistency, and you can see that by when we lift here with the suction tube. It's just sort of moving the face of the wax rather than moving the whole plug itself. So we're trying to detach this from the canal wall, this super sticky bit of wax. We'll put some olive oil in here in a second, which is just going to help to work underneath that wax, stop it from rebinding to the canal wall. There you go, you can see that's gone in there now. But we're still not seeing that really good movement that we want to see when we get a grip on the front of the wax. Ideally, we want to see the whole plug being able to move really freely. There's that little bit of resistance when we start to pull this forwards. Now, the reason for that is this plug, I think, is a little bit long and it's just gone around the first bend in the ear canal. There are two bends in your ear canal, and they're referred to very handily as the first and second bend. You can guess which one's the first one. So as you go into the ear canal, you get this bend going around, and this plug is formed on the bend, so it's not really pulling forwards very easily. So I've switched up here to the Jobson horn. Difficulty is I can't get over the top. As soon as I try and pull on this front section, it's just lifting that rear end of the wax up to meet that top portion of the ear canal. So I'm just trying to break some of these looser pieces away here at the entrance before we switch back. There you go to the standard size Zollner tube again. So we're just going to start lifting this. Now we can see that little bit of extra movement, that little bit more of wiggle we wanted to see here. So it's just starting to come away really well. There we go. Now it's starting to come forwards. You can see it's just working its way out. Now, what I think is going to happen here, because that plug's a little bit longer, as we pull this out, it's just getting stuck on the backside of the tragus here, that little sort of fold of skin you've got just in front of your ear canal. That's called the tragus. So as we're bringing this forward, it's kind of run into the tragus. Now we have to try and scoop this around to get this out, which is exactly what we're doing here with the Jobson horn. Out that pops. There we go. You can see that big old chunky bit of wax there. Doesn't want to be lifted out. Oh my goodness, it's literally just disintegrating as we pick it up. So there's the first piece, and there is the second piece, and I think there's a third little strip of dead skin I just saw falling away from the bottom of that one there. Yeah, there it is. So we'll take a look beyond that now. Very clear. Now we've just got this little bit of dry skin that's running around the entrance, the lateral end of this ear canal here. Just lifting this up, you can see we're just taking these little pieces away, working them all the way along the outside edge. And we'll get this section just at the bottom there. There you go. There we are. So we can just get that bit out as well. There we go. Sorry guys. We're just going to work down with a fine end, taking away these little dry pieces and to the bottom there. We don't want to dig into the ear canal wall here at all. So we're just going to scoop over the top. There we are. That's looking a lot better. Take that bit away there. Bit about tidying up, bit of hoovering around the outside edge. And we're still going. So basically we're just tidying up the entrance here to the ear canal. I forgot I did this bit. Sorry guys. But we're going to take a look at the eardrum now. There we are, looking lovely and healthy. So 2.5 centimeters bang on 1 inch, which makes it so much easier for a person that can't read inches very well. But you can see that's looking very different in shades of color going through there. That really dark section, around about a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch mark. The 1.5 centimeter mark is really dark. So that was the sort of oldest core and nugget of wax in the middle. Right guys, tomorrow I'm actually off work because I am sitting the first part of my motorbike riding test tomorrow. But if I'm finished early enough, I will try and come back to work and voice a video over for you guys. I can also let you know how I got on, whether I passed or failed. I'll let you know tomorrow. But as always guys, take care of yourselves, take care of your ears, and take care of one another, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye everyone.